In just 2 weeks, on October 30th, the Supreme Court of Finland will hear a landmark case that could redefine freedom of speech and religion in Finland, and even Europe. At its centre stands Päivi Räsänen and Bishop Juhana Pohjola. This week, we're taking a couple of minutes to recap the case, and next week, we're going to unpack what's at stake. So here's the background. Päivi is a medical doctor, a long-time member of parliament, former minister of the interior, and a grandmother of 12. And for decades, she has served her country with integrity and courage, never hiding the Christian convictions that guide her life. But for the past 6 years, she has been dragged through police interrogations, public scrutiny, prosecutions, and courtroom battles, all because she expressed her Christian views on marriage and human sexuality. The ordeal began in 2019 when her church denomination announced its official partnership with the Helsinki Pride Parade. In response, Päivi, an active member of this church, directed a tweet at its leadership questioning their decision, and she included an image of a Bible verse from the New Testament book of Romans. What followed was 6 years, 4 criminal charges between her and the bishop, and 3 court hearings. In April 2021, the Finnish prosecutor general formally charged Päivi with 3 counts of agitation against a minority group for publicly voicing her opinion on marriage and human sexuality in a 2004 pamphlet for her church, for comments she made on a 2019 radio show, and the tweet directed at her church leadership. Bishop Juhana is also charged with publishing Päivi's 2004 pamphlet. The crime of agitation against a minority group falls under the War Crimes and Crimes Against Humanity section in the Finnish Criminal Code. This is the same section of law meant for genocide and war atrocities, and it's being used against a grandmother for quoting scripture. Päivi and Bishop Juhana faced 2 days of trial at the Helsinki District Court in 2022. And we won. The Helsinki District Court unanimously acquitted Päivi and the bishop, stating that it is not for the district court to interpret biblical concepts. But the prosecution refused to stop. It appealed the not guilty verdict in April 22, and the case was heard again by the Helsinki Court of Appeal in 2023. And we won again. The court again cleared her and the bishop of all charges, another unanimous decision affirming that they had broken no law. But the grueling process didn't end there. The state prosecutor appealed the case again in 2024, despite the 2 previous acquittals, and Päivi and Bishop Juhana will now stand trial for a 3rd time at Finland's highest court. The prosecution has shown a clear determination to make an example out of Päivi, to intimidate not only her, but every Finn and every person who dares to peacefully speak what they believe. Here at ADF International, we are proud to stand alongside Päivi and Bishop Juhana in their defence, and the stakes go far beyond Finland. The outcome of this case will set a precedent across Europe, as we will explain next week.